Hello, welcome to English Chats with Felix. I'm Felix. Here you can practice your listening and understanding. At the end of the video, there is a short quiz to see how much you understand. Before we start, please subscribe and give the video a like. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about my hometown. After, you can post a comment describing your hometown. Your hometown is where you grew up or where you are from. My hometown is in California. The name of my hometown is called La Mirada. The name of my hometown is in Spanish. It's in Spanish because a lot of places in California are in Spanish. For example, Los Angeles, Santa Monica, San Francisco, San Diego. My hometown is a small city compared to the other cities nearby. There are about 50,000 people. The weather in my hometown is mild. We don't have cold winters. In winter, the high is normally around 40 or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 5 or 10 degrees Celsius. Summers are quite hot. It usually is around 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. My hometown is about 20 miles from Los Angeles. 20 miles is about 32 kilometers. Because of the traffic in California, it can take about an hour or even more to drive to Los Angeles. But without traffic, it can take 25-30 minutes by car. My hometown has got parks, shopping centers, a library, a police station, a fire station, and even a water amusement park. There are so many different types of restaurants. Of course, we have burger restaurants, we have Indian restaurants, sushi restaurants, Mexican restaurants, Thai restaurants, Korean restaurants, and the traditional American diners that serve pancakes, eggs, the typical American breakfast. I grew up in a one-story house. That house had 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a backyard, and a front yard. I think my house was pretty big, but there are lots of bigger houses in my hometown. My hometown is very residential. There are a lot of houses and not that many apartments. There are a lot of families and a lot of young people. There is a private university, so there are a lot of students. I grew up in La Mirada, but I don't want to live there. I prefer a bigger city. Okay, we're finished. Now, time to test your listening. After, you can comment describing your hometown. Number 1. How many people live in my hometown? There are about 50,000 people. Number 2. What state is my hometown in? My hometown is in California. Number 3. Is the university in my hometown public or private? There is a private university Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see each other in another video. Bye! Thanks for watching. Here you can click to subscribe, or you can click to practice some more. Alright, see you next time. Bye!